Welcome to Light Tutorials. In the Effects panel, in the Post Crop Vignette controls, there is an option to select the style of vignette. With highlight priority as the default, color priority and paint overlay. We will compare these styles, using the same image, with the same amount of adjustments applied. With a dark vignette amount of -50, we can see that although the differences are subtle, highlight priority retains higher saturation of color, whereas color priority preserves more natural colors in the vignette area. Paint overlay gives a plain vignette, using the same amount of darkening throughout the edge of the image. Now, with a light vignette amount of +50, we can see how highlight priority gives a more pronounced effect than color priority and paint overlay. Note that the highlights control is not available under the paint overlay style. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.